Grad school, you had to email, make an appointment, and most of the time they were in their lab and you had to go track them down, and then you would get 15 minutes, and that was it. But typically I didn't need to go see the professors in grad school because what I learned here was such a good, solid base that I didn't need to go seek out help. And actually, sometimes I would email the professors here if I had questions. This is something that I want to give somebody else. So that's part of the reason why I went to grad school, was to teach other people, to share my love of science. I didn't do science because it was easy. I did it because it was something that challenged me. And I liked to share that with other people. I think that SVSU could continue to do small-scale research like they are. The thing that makes SVSU comfortable, and I think it's the reason why we have so many students that turn out to be great successes, is because it is smaller and people are comfortable and they learn in a comfortable environment. Happy people learn better, and SVSU creates an environment that makes people happy. You know, the small scale and the personability of the professors and the willingness to interact with students, they're all personable, they're all friendly, and they'll go out of their way to try to help students succeed in whatever way they can.